quit my job and do some digital marketing aspect. I want to be a freelancer in digital marketing. Well, I have done some courses in digital marketing, but I'm not sure of what to do next. If any of this statement resonated with you, then you have come to the right place, because today I'm sharing my 5 tips on how to kickstart your journey of learning digital marketing. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, my name is Shamala and I post content for beginners in digital marketing. A little about me before I dive into the video. I started learning digital marketing in the mid of 2018 when my friend asked to help to set up his blog. What initially started as exploring random blog posts on digital marketing aspect gradually converted into a serious interest, and at one point I realized that if I'm pretty serious of pursuing digital marketing as my career, then I need to get my basics right and then jump into the advanced topics. So let's quickly begin. Tip number 1 is get good with fundamentals. The sole objective of doing a course or reading about the fundamental of digital marketing is to answer key questions like what is digital marketing, what are the different types of digital marketing, how are they interconnected, what kind of work is involved in each and every type, or how to come up with a digital marketing strategy for a business or a service. Knowing the answer to these key questions will help you to understand the advanced and complex topics in a much easier way. I spent around 2 months pursuing an SEO, that is search engine optimization related course, without even getting my basics because it was completely zero, and at the end of the course I don't think I understood anything. So that's why get your basics right. Tip number 2 is choose the areas of interest. Digital marketing is a vast topic. There are so many subtopic under topics that you can master. Obviously you can learn each and everything, but it will take a very long time. Hence it's more advantageous to at least specialize in 2 or 3 areas rather than everything. Once you complete a basic course that explains you about the fundamentals of digital marketing, take some time to analyze which type of digital marketing aspects sparked an interest in you to learn more about it. In my case, it was SEO, email marketing, website management, and social media marketing. Decide something similar for yourself so that you know what courses you have to take next or what steps you have to take to go forward in your digital marketing journey. Tip number 3 is getting deeper with your specialities. Now, once you have decided your areas of interest, look for some course that will explain you not just the primary but the advanced concepts that are involved in that subject. What happens is an overall digital marketing course might not give you a clear picture of what happens in each and every type of digital marketing. For example, a basic course of digital marketing might tell you that SEO or search engine optimization is all about getting your website found by Google bots, thereby increasing its visibility. However, a specialized course on SEO will tell you how to do it, how on-the-page optimization, off-the-page optimization, keyword research, SEO audit, and other concepts are done. Fourth tip is niching down more further. As I mentioned before, there are so many subtopics under the main topic that you can master. Hence, you have an opportunity to niche down and become an expert in 1 or 2 areas of your specialized interest. To explain this with an example, let's assume that you have completed a course on social media marketing, where it explains you about the different social media platforms and how marketing is done. Then you can niche down to only Facebook marketing or Instagram marketing or LinkedIn marketing or anything else in other areas of interest. By niching down, you can dominate your area of focus as well as help people to achieve their hyper-specific goals, which means that you will be called as an expert in that category even though you are an all-rounder in digital marketing aspects. Tip number 5 is start looking for online experience. If you follow the tips that I've given today, then by the time you pursue specialization course or when you're niching down, you might feel that, okay, now I'm good with the theoretical aspects, I need to have some practical experience so that I feel confident to tell that, okay, I know these things. Now, if you're looking for an opportunity to gain practical experience, then you have 2 options. The first one is to do an internship with a mentor who will teach you the things about digital marketing, or you can start something of your own, which is self-learning. You identify the problems and you learn on your own. In my next video, I'm going to talk about all the resources that will help you in theoretical as well as practical experience So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you are notified when my next video is up. So that's it for today. So let me know in the comment section about your views, feedbacks or comments, or any other topic that you want me to do video on. Meanwhile, you can also check my Instagram page where I post digital marketing aspects and some behind the scene actions. Until my next video, stay safe, stay happy, and